Let me show you how to add video inside text in Adobe Premiere Pro. This tutorial is going to extremely simple and quick. To understand it, watch the entire video, then try it. Hey folks, welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. I appreciate you are watching. Make sure to subscribe. My name is Arafat and without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we have to choose a video that you want to place inside the text. For me, I chose this video. Take a look. Select typing tool. Or you can press T to select the typing tool. Align text using those tools. Select all text and change the style to bold. Click on this so we will get more bold text. Align the text to the center. Set the text size according to your video. Drag the text layer to the desired length for the video. Okay. Go to Effects. Search for track. Drag and drop into the video layer. Go to Effect Control. From the Matte option, choose Video 2. I chose Video 2 because our text layer is on it. Take a look. Beautiful. What we can do at this point is add some animation to it. To do so, go to Effect Control, add a keyframe to scale and position. Then I will adjust the scale as needed. I will play the video once more and pick a different spot. Click on here and here to reset. It sets the scale and position of your video to its default values. Select those keyframes, right click, ease in. Beautiful. I would like to slow down the animation a little. So I will take those keyframes a little bit further. Okay. Let's play. Pretty good. Now I will add the playhead here and I will add a keyframe to scale and position. Then hold shift and take 4 steps forward. Now I will change the scale and position. I chose T as the middle point. Add the keyframe here to 0%. Hold shift and take 4 steps backward. Add a keyframe to 100%. Cool. As before, we can make it a little bit slower. To do so, select those 3 keyframes. We will move away from the last keyframes. It will make the animation slower. Here we go. Looks great. We can add some color at the end. To do so, I will cut here. Go to Effects, Search for 4 color gradient. Drag and drop into the last clip. Find the effect in the effect control. We can animate the color by adding keyframes. Of course, you can change the colors if you want. Select all keyframes. Press Ctrl or Command plus C to copy. Go a few frames forward and press Ctrl or Command plus V to paste. Alright. Go to Effects, add Cross Dissolves from Video Transition. We can extend the length of the transition. You can set it to your liking. Beautiful. This tutorial was extremely simple and quick. I hope you learned something from it. If you enjoy this video, please consider to subscribing, liking and sharing it. See you in the next video.